Hello, followers. It's another day. It's Tuesday, May 20th, and I took a loss. I lost $500 or a little over 500, like 520 bucks. I should have tightened up my stop loss a little bit, no, seeing how the trade was starting to go against me. But I am up essentially $470 in the challenge. I do need $2,530 now. So let's go ahead and head to the charts. Okay, so right here, my entry was right there at the 42,836 price point. I was looking for a TP2. I had a 100-point stop, and I did get stopped out right there. Today was bearish. It was kind of a choppy day, moved between this range or Asian high and this low. It wasn't very much of a big wide range, but there was still a move there. The move was for the short at New York Open, and it could have yielded a total of anywhere around right here, about 400, 300 ticks or 300 points. Yeah, about 300 points, for this move. Any could have taken anything, if you're risking 100, 200 points would have been fine. 50 points at a good entry, just 1 to 2 would have kicked rocks. But yeah, took my L. My entry was right there. I was looking for the imbalance or fair value gap to come back into this range right here. It's what a 30-minute. So there's this gap right here. It did trade into it. 8:30, 9:30 was right here. So I was expecting for it to come back into this range and then go higher. At the very least, I should have waited for the big figure 800 level, which would have been right here, or for the London low to got ran right here at 761. And if I would have waited for that, I could have been, break even. It would have went 100 points up. I would have moved my stop loss to break even, and if it would have came back down, choppy day, just stay out the markets at that point. But I did take my L. There, okay. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Go to the hour time frame. I'm gonna journal or just input this into my trade journal, copy image, dashboard. I already uploaded my trades. I now have two trades, 1 win, 1 loss, still net positive. Let's go to the daily journal and start my view note. What's today, the 20th? Let's add a note. Took an L. All right, because I can kind of tell from just the photo. Paste. Okay, I can see, I guess I should describe my entry. Entry was the pullback at the New York Open. I should have waited for the London low to get ran, or at the very least waited for the 800 big figure level. All right, big. Okay, save. Okay. Now, I have nothing else to say other than that. You guys have any questions, write it down. If you guys need any help understanding how I get in and out of the markets, write a comment. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you can share my page with somebody and tell them who's aspiring to become a day trader, just let them know. I've been trading now for 5 years. The first 2 years, I was trading momentum, aka penny stocks, and I just didn't get it. So I moved on to Forex. I started learning how to mark up on TradingView, and then I got into futures, and that's where I finally got my funded accounts. Although I've yet to have a payout, I've passed challenge accounts, and now I'm really dialing in on widening my stop loss, waiting for those fair value gaps, or waiting for those London lows and highs to get ran, previous day highs and lows, and the Asian highs and lows to get ran, to making the move, or to getting into a trade. So you can see how it came low, came up, and then kind of hovered around this Asian session low. Someone could have got in right here at this Asian session low, the 800 level, right there, and just you know got in for the trade. 800, 700, 600. That's 200 points right there. Would have held that. Risking 50 points, that would have been TP4. Risking 500, that would have been $2,000 profit. But yeah, guys, I'm going to let you guys go and have a great day.